We're going to talk about Indonesian Rafales. Indonesia is stepping up its air power in a big way. Originally, back in 2022, they signed a deal for 42 Rafale fighter jets, that's 30 single-seat and 12 twin-seat versions. But now they've decided 42 isn't enough. The order has officially gone up to 66 Rafales. The delivery plan is also set. The first batch is expected in early 2026, and by 2030 the full 66 jets should be delivered, which means in just a few years, the Indonesian Air Force is going to look very different. Now, about the money. The initial deal for 42 jets was worth around $8.1 billion. With the new expanded order, the total cost has jumped to roughly $11 billion. Pretty huge investment, but it tells you how serious they are about modernizing. And what will Rafales replace? Mostly the older F-5 Tigers, and gradually even some of their aging F-16. So basically, Indonesia is moving away from older generation jets and bringing in some of the most capable 4.5 generation fighters available right now. So, what do you think? Was Indonesia's decision to buy Rafales the right move? Share your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe to Try Dynamics.